Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to be a successful coder. In this video, I'll provide some tips on how to become a successful coder, such as practicing regularly, learning from your mistakes, and networking with other coders. What is a successful coder? A successful coder is someone who can write code that is efficient, reliable, and easy to understand. They are also able to debug their code and find and fix errors. How to be a successful coder? There are many things that you can do to become a successful coder. Here are a few tips. Choose the right coding language. There are many different coding languages out there, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. If you're not sure which language to choose, start with a popular language like Python or Java. Learn the basics. Once you've chosen a coding language, it's important to learn the basics. This includes learning about variables, data types, loops, and functions. Practice regularly. The best way to become a better coder is to practice regularly. This means writing code every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Solve problems. One of the best ways to learn coding is to solve problems. There are many online resources where you can find programming challenges. Find a mentor. A mentor is someone who can help you learn and grow as a coder. They can provide guidance, support, and feedback. Join a coding community. There are many online and offline coding communities where you can connect with other coders. This is a great way to learn from others, share your experiences, and get help when you need it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Everyone needs help sometimes. If you're stuck on a problem, don't be afraid to ask for help from a friend, mentor, or online forum. Build projects. One of the best ways to show off your coding skills is to build projects. This could be anything from a simple website to a complex mobile app. Contribute to open source projects. Contributing to open source projects is a great way to learn from other coders and give back to the community. Stay up to date on the latest technologies. The world of coding is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest technologies. This means reading blogs, attending conferences, and taking online courses. Be patient and persistent. Learning to code takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't become a successful coder overnight. Just keep practicing and learning, and eventually you'll reach your goals. To conclude, I would like to say that there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how to become a successful coder. However, the tips that I've outlined in this video will give you a good starting point. Just remember to practice regularly, learn from your mistakes, and network with other coders. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your goals and become a successful coder.